I like the success stories.
Like those of 2023 Woodville-Tompkins High School graduates Tanner Outen and Juan Pacheco, both now professional welders at heavy equipment manufacturer JCB.
It's not just welding that you get out of here. You get the job skills, the soft skills, you get a good attitude coming straight out of high school, and you get a good certificate, the OSHA card.
Being able to bring in that type of money at 18 makes the big difference.
You know, at some point you have to be taking care of yourself, and it pays a lot of money.
Barry Kennedy's been running the welding program at Woodville for more than a decade.
It's two key points about this program. The first one is it's a workplace simulated environment. And the second key point is we not only introduce kids to welding, we help them become proficient at it.
Freshman year is just safety class, straight book work. As I got older, I realized it really taught you the fundamentals in that class you really needed. So you got through the second class learning about metals, and then once you actually got to welding, that's when it became pretty much an enjoyable experience for me.
The skills you're taught in this class specifically, you're already ready for, as people say, the real world or whatever. They teach you what they want, and you can demonstrate first day on the job like what you already were taught in the class.
It's a prep program that Juan and Tanner took full advantage of. Neither 22 years old yet, but off and running in the real world.
When I first started, I was a welder in regular production, and now since August of 2025, I've been in the engineering side of the business. So in that side of the business, everything is pretty much kept on the low because we're building new things every day. So if we were to ever come out with a brand new model of a machine, I can say that I was the first one ever in the world to put my hands on it.
They have 401ks, retirement plans that you can do. And in the apprenticeship, they give you classes about that. They give you financial classes that you can take, and that should teach you and lead you to the right path.
And when you see young students come straight out of high school and go into the workforce, that means they are not in the streets. That means they are on the job working to get a hold of it real quickly. That's rewarding to see, and I'm just glad to be a part of it.
Woodville-Tompkins welding program, leading Tanner Outen and Juan Pacheco to early life success. And now you know, where are they now? For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.